Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. Let us move on to our next unit in English. C.V. Raman, the Pride of India. Before moving on to the lesson, all of you love the science subject, right? Yeah, science is a good subject. It is enthusiastic. It just satisfies our curiosity regarding how is this sky blue, how do we get rain, what is this rainbow. We learn a lot of things in our daily life. We see these things daily life and we have a lot of curiosity to know about this, and science help us to know what are those things, how is it happening, isn't it? Don't you feel curious about all these things, rainbow? And science has given an answer to us. Science has given an answer to us. Just look around your house. You will see many things which science have given us and made our life very convenient, isn't it? The mobile what we use now, it's an invention by scientists, and that has made our life comfortable even in this corona season by giving you an online class or a class through mobile. The internet facilities has made it easy, isn't it? Just see your refrigerator. It keeps everything cool and it prevents from the spoiling of vegetables for many days if you keep it in that, isn't it? We eat a lot of ice cream. When we keep it without getting melted, we can eat it solid in a solid way. This ice cream. Now take, when it is very hot during summer, we buy this AC, air conditioner. It is also an invention of science, isn't it? Okay, this day-to-day life is made very easy through science. Not only that, our curiosities, our questions about the daily life, about our surrounding, about what the things, computer, all those things, we get an answer through science. Now, the science, these answers were given by the scientist. What does a scientist do? They observe. They show patience to know what is happening. They observe the around surroundings. They find out why is it happening. They think about it. They think and they start experimenting on that, and they later finds out that this is that, or there are some reasons they'll find out. Today we are also going to meet such a scientist who observed about light rays and found the Raman effect, and which made him get the Nobel Prize in 1930 in physics. You know, Nobel Prize is a very prestigious award given to scientists. Once in a year, they receive it. And he was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize in physics. Okay. So, today in your face sheet, that is the pre-reading part, you can see 6 scientists and their pictures. You have to identify who the scientists are. Just I'll give you briefly 1 or 2 lines about them. First one, APJ Abdul Kalam. You know who is APJ Abdul Kalam. He was the former president of India, and he played a great role in the development of missiles. He is also known as Missile Man of India. Second one is C.V. Raman. Today we have to learn about the same person, C.V. Raman, who received Nobel Prize in Physics for his Raman effect. Third one is Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was a great mathematician and he gave extraordinary contributions to mathematics. Okay, you know his number, Ramanujan number is 1729, and his specialties and your maths teacher will explain to you. Albert Einstein, he is also a German physicist, and his theory of relativity, that is E is equal to mc square, which you don't know, you will learn in the coming years. Okay, then Isaac Newton. Yeah, he discovered the law of gravitational force. Gravitational force already you have learned, the pull of the earth. Isn't it? There's a famous story even about Isaac Newton. It is said that an apple fell on his head, which led to the thought, why is this apple falling down? Which led to the discovery of gravitational force. Okay, and the last person in that sheet is Sir Alexander Fleming. Okay, he was a Scottish biologist, and he discovered, one of his famous discovery was the penicillin. Okay, this penicillin he discovered it from the some enzymes and all, which helped the medical field in treatment of bacterial infections. Penicillin. Now also it helps us in the treatment of infections caused due to bacteria. Okay, so these scientists, they found out everything one day? No, they observed, they had a lot of patience, they were very curious, they observed it, they were curious, and their curiosity led to the discovery and inventions. And what happened? These types of inventions made our life convenient, and also new technology has developed due to the arrival of, or due to these inventions and discoveries. So some 6 scientists you have learned now. You have got more scientists you are learning in your science subject about the inventions and discoveries of these scientists, isn't it? Today in our lesson we are going to learn about C.V. Raman, Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, who was born on 7th November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. So where is Tiruchirappalli? In Tamil Nadu. When was he born? 7th November 1888. Okay, his father was a college physics teacher. And the most surprising thing is, we should feel proud of it, that he had his schooling in St. Aloysius School in Visakhapatnam, one of the ancient schools in Visakhapatnam. Okay, his father had got a better job in Visakhapatnam, Voltaire, the old Voltaire, and he studied he had done his schooling in this school. And later you can see he went to college in Presidency College. He was very intelligent, and parents knew that he was very talented, but they did not send him abroad for higher studies. He had done his experiments, scientific experiments, everything along with his civil service, his job. He got a job, and with that job he did all his experiments. And at last his discovery led to a very important discovery in the scientific world, that is discovery about light rays. A discovery about light rays which is called as Raman effect. That light rays effect is named after him, Raman effect. Okay, so how did those days, his life, and about him we are going to learn in this lesson. So he should become an inspiration for you people too, because he was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Physics for this Raman effect. So we should get inspired from him, his life, how he did it. He was a very simple man, and he did everything with simple things. He didn't spend a lot of money on his experiments. And we will learn about him next week. Thank you.